What I loved about Pakistan was its wilderness, its mountains. And so, as with age I saw these mountains, this wilderness disappearing, and especially the way we destroyed our forest cover, I always resolved the second thing, that if I ever got the opportunity, I would make sure that we preserve this God-given beauty of our country. And we start a reforestation campaign. And against all odds, we did it. No one expected it to happen, but we involved the local communities. We first made them understand how important trees were for the future. We made the people understand that Pakistan was very vulnerable to climate change. And we appealed to the people. We involved women in the mountainous areas to grow nurseries. And it became one of the most successful campaigns in our country's history of forestation. So when I became the Prime Minister, I resolved that we would plant 10 billion trees in Pakistan in the next 4 years.